Chinese New Year, also known as Lunar New Year or the Chinese Spring Festival, lasts for 15 days and involves various traditions, such as cleaning the house to get rid of bad luck and making it ready for good luck to enter again. Red decorations are commonly used, as red symbolizes good luck. Paper cutouts, paintings, lanterns, and couplets are also popular decorations. It is traditional to place flowers and mandarin oranges throughout the house for good luck. People offer sacrifices to the kitchen god and dress in traditional Chinese clothing, avoiding the color black. Visiting a Chinese temple to pray for good luck and having fortunes told are common activities. Firecrackers are set off to scare away bad spirits, and giving red envelopes with money is a customary gift. Honoring ancestors and spreading positivity are important aspects of the festivities. Finally, learning about Chinese cooking and food tradition is a great way to fully immerse in the celebration.